Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. All right, right now I want to do a quick unboxing of this Dssairo case that I got for the Apple iPhone 13. I got this case on Amazon. I paid $7.99. So let's go ahead and take a look and see if it's any good. Now remember, every time I buy a phone, I always have to have a case on it. So there's no excuses. If you don't have a case on a phone with a glass back, then you're just risking shattering your phone, and then you might just have to buy a new one. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. All right. I should have just got a knife. God, I hate it when this happens. But anyways, here we go. All right, so here is the case. And little cleaning cloths. Got some stickers. These are the lenses for the camera. And here is the case, and got some stickers, pretty cool, happy time. And let's go ahead and see what else is inside here. We have two screen protectors, and they are tempered glass. So this is a really good deal, guys. You get a whole lot of things here for $7.99 for $8. You get the case, you get two screen protectors, you get the camera lens protector, and you get a couple stickers. I don't know what you're gonna do with them, but anyways, yeah, kids, give it to them. And here is the case. So let's pop on the case and see how it looks. All right, there we go. So the buttons are clicky. This actually reminds me of my Pixel 9 Pro case. So as you can see, the buttons are clicky. Let's go ahead and install the screen protector. And let's go ahead and open this up. All right, so we got the wet wipes and the dry wipes. Now, you can install the screen protector with the case on or with the case off. Let's go ahead and take the case off first. Although sometimes putting it with the case, it might be better, so you know if you go past the edges. So let's just use the case here. So let's go ahead and do that. Use these wet wipes. Make sure you clean that off good, because you don't want to smudge. Wow, this packaged pretty tightly in here. I could leave a mess here. My wife gets mad at me. All right, so let's go ahead and wipe this thoroughly. Make sure that there's no smudges on here. Ooh, smells like vodka. All right. There we go. Okay. Let's see if that's good. Miss any spots? Let's make sure that there are no spots. Nice and shiny. All right, now let's see if there's any smudges here. All right, I see a little spot right here. A little spot right there. Thing is, once you put this tempered glass screen protector on, it's hard to remove it, so it's pretty much a one-shot deal. So let's go ahead and remove one of these. All right, and let's see which is the back and the front. All right, so this is going to be the front, and we're just going to go ahead and just kind of throw it on there, nice and slowly. All right. Now this one doesn't have the cutout for the camera lens in the front, so basically it's just one piece. So I already feel like I went over the edge here, but let's see here. You can fix it. There we go. All right. So get the wet wipe and just start wiping down. Now, this one is a little bubbly, but as you can see, the bubbles will eventually come out. Let's see here. Well, I think I have to take it out again and do it again. See, I like the cases, not the case. There we go. See, it's coming down. I like the screen protectors that have the installation little tool on there where you can just kind of like fit the phone in it. And then once you do that, you just drop the screen protector on top of it. But this will do for now. And this is basically temporary. because once you find, you know, a better, you know, screen protector, you know, you put one on. But the screen protector is a bonus on this case, so it wasn't something that I was necessarily looking for, but since it came with a screen protector, I said I'm going to get it. All right, so here we go. It's getting better. All right, let's take off the case here and see if we can put the camera lens on here. Well, this case is really tight on here, so I kind of like that. I actually like that vibe. That's really, really tight. So, wow, it's really snug in there. It's really hard to take off. Okay, so that's good. All right, and then we can also go ahead and clean the back here. You don't have to use the alcohol if you don't want to. It doesn't matter. Let's go ahead and see how these. This is also a double, so you have backups. So this is the camera lens. I like the way they package this thing in here. It's pretty cool. So I guess how to take it off here. There has to be some kind of trick. So where do I peel this off? Or do I? Okay, so I gotta figure this one out. Wow, this is okay, there we go. There we go, just pull it out. Just pull it out. And then, there we go. It's really diligent, man. Have to be really steady. And there it goes. I think that's it. I think that's it. I think that's about as good as it's gonna get. You guys see that? I think you can adjust it a little bit. Just press it on there. I don't really use these things too much as far as like camera lens protectors. Very rarely. So it's a bonus. It's not something that I need to have. All right, let's slap this back on. And let's see the feel. The feel's good. The feel is good. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Let's see what the screen looks like when it's on. All right, put these stickers away. Put all this to the side. And but the case in itself is really, really nice. It feels good. It's got this little texture on here. It's kind of like a matte. The buttons are clicky. They work. All right, let's go ahead and start this thing up. And let's see how effective it is. Scrolling. All right. Opening apps. Okay. Let's see here. So everything seems to be working. So as you can see that it's working. So let's go to let's say Instagram here. And let's just see what the screen looks like. All right. So scrolling through here is fine. All right. There we go. So it's definitely working, guys. So anyways, if you guys like this case, I'm going to throw the link in the description. It's $8, man. Like I said, what can you get for $8 nowadays? The case is fine. All the ports seem to be accessible, speakers accessible. And there you have it, guys. So this is, once again, the Dssairo case by Dssairo. I've never really heard of this company, but it does the job. So there we go, guys. So if you guys like this channel, subscribe down below. Leave a comment if you guys want one of these. Like I said, I'll leave the description in the description for the link for the case. Until next time, guys. Talk to you soon.